Intro Part 4. It was the afternoon of January 15, 2009, and US Airways Flight 1549 is preparing to take off from LaGuardia Airport in New York City for a short 1 hour and 20-minute hop to Charlotte, North Carolina. In the cockpit were Captain Chesley Sullenberger and First Officer Jeffrey Skiles. And on board were 150 passengers and 3 cabin crew members. It was a clear winter afternoon with the air temperature just below freezing at -7 degrees Celsius. Now, what happened in the next 5 minutes and 28 seconds was something that had never happened before in the history of civil aviation. Barely a minute after takeoff, while traveling at the speed of about 400 kilometers per hour and just over halfway to the turning altitude of 5,000 feet, the aircraft plowed through a flock of Canadian geese flying south for the winter. Several birds were sucked through both engines, causing them to break down and cutting off all power and thrust from the aircraft. With no engine power, and from a height just barely above the tallest building in the world, the 65-ton Airbus 320, with all 155 souls on board, began falling from the sky. With the urban centers of Manhattan to his left and New Jersey to his right, both in the path of the 2 nearest airports, Captain Sully decided to ditch the plane in the Hudson River in between New York and New Jersey and made a dramatic and improbable water landing. The plane stayed afloat long enough in the freezing water for the seemingly chaotic evacuation and subsequent rescue operation so that all of the 155 souls lived to tell the tale. Captain Sully, First Officer Skiles, and the crew were hailed as heroes. And the box office hit Sully, starring Tom Hanks, was released in 2016.